What's up, guys? Oh, sorry, Gary. Today's the day, the final day of our 6-month lease, and we are finally moving out of here. Isn't that right, Gary? We're getting out of here. We're getting out of here. You ready, Gary? Are you excited? I'm excited. I'm excited to get out of here. I'm not excited to leave California. I love it here. Gary, are you excited? Are you excited? Do you even know what's going on? Do you know what's going on? You don't know what's going on, do you? You moved before. You moved with us before last year. Okay, so I've done this trip before, right? I've done it plenty of times. Like in the Prius riding passenger seat. I've even driven all the way there myself before. Well, not really by myself. I was in the other car and Caleb was driving too. But I have driven a car all the way from California to Rhode Island by myself before. This time, however, is gonna be a little bit different because this time I have the Miata. So I'm not gonna be driving the Prius this time. I'm gonna be driving the Miata. What do you think about that, Gary? Gary's excited. Now I know this probably isn't that big of a deal. You know, I'm driving a Miata across the country. Miatas are pretty good, reliable cars. But a couple weeks ago, my car started making some weird noises. So we took it to the shop and apparently my clutch is going. Now usually we would just take it to a mechanic to get it fixed, but it's so much cheaper if we do it ourselves. But we don't have the tools to do it here and we don't have the time to do it here. So we're just gonna try to make it across and hope we don't break down. Because if we do break down, I'm gonna have to take it to a mechanic and spend way more money than I want to on getting a new clutch. On top of that, in the past couple of days, it's gotten significantly worse. Like the throwout bearing is now rattling. There is this obnoxious rattling going on in the car. Can't drive down the street at all without hearing it. Wasn't going on like a week ago. And well, now we just know it's gotten so much worse and there's really not much we can do about it, so we're just gonna hope for the best. What do you think is gonna happen? Do you think we're gonna break down? Do you think we're gonna break down? I'm kind of worried we're gonna break down. All right, Kaz, we gotta take one last look at the empty apartment. You gonna miss it? No, you look like you're ready to go. All right, let's go. So this is our little setup. Callie and I are gonna be riding the Miata. We took out the seat and we shipped it over with the rest of our belongings just so she'll have plenty of space in here. I know, you don't like it in here, do you? We have the puppies in the Prius. And we have the R1, the cathenator, riding in the back. What do you think about that? Callie wants to be riding in the back right now. She doesn't like it in here. I have the AC on full blast and she's still really hot. I'm sorry, Callie. It's just because we're sitting in the sun right now, but we're gonna be moving soon. Don't you worry, and I'll get you plenty of water. The ride, but I can't blame her. We have gone 270 miles so far, and so far everything's okay. We've stopped for gas a couple times. I'm trying to switch gears as little as possible just because I don't want to wear out the clutch any more than I need to. It's pretty easy though to stay in 5th gear when you're on the highway. Just when you're getting off the highway and back on, that's when you have to switch gears a lot. Hey, you cannot sit on my lap. You cannot sit on my lap. No! Alright, so it's the cow's favorite time of the night. This is the time where the cows get yummy fat. Wait. You gotta wait. Get those yummy cows, get 'em. Get those yummy cows, get 'em. So we're here in, what state are we in?
Japan.
Japan? We're here in Japan. We're pumping up the tires to get that extra gas mileage. We got the lovely stacked throne next to the cathenator, and we got the bills. Hi guys, what are you guys doing in here? Oh, it's nice and cold in here. You guys got the AC blowing. Casa del Garrison, I love it. I think I might just ride on this for the rest of the trip. What do you think? You think I should just ride here? So Callie and I would like to give a special thank you to our friends at Pup Show who gave us this nice, luxurious bed that Callie gets to sleep on this entire trip. Honestly, it's the only reason she's comfortable. And you know, the bed is actually much bigger than it is right now. It actually expands and could probably fit all 3 puppies at once. But since the car is so small, we have to squish it in a little bit. Callie still loves it. She still fits in it comfortably. And she's really enjoying how comfortable this bed is. I mean, look at this thing. It's squishy, it's fluffy. She thinks it's her mother. She keeps licking it. Alright, Cal, we have made it to Oklahoma City, which means that we are officially only 24 hours away from being home at our house in Rhode Island. Are you excited? Are you taking a nap? Oh, did I wake you up from your nap? Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to wake you up from your nap. Okay, go back to sleep. Now at this point, I'm gonna have to say that the thing that has surprised me most on this trip is how fuel efficient this car really is. I've been keeping track, and this car can go over 100 miles on a quarter tank of gas. Now keep in mind, my tank is relatively small. It's only about 13.5 gallons, which means when you really break it down, I'm getting almost 30 miles a gallon, which is better than my previous Honda, which got only 23. I feel bad because Callie really doesn't like car rides, but luckily we got anxiety medication from the vet for her, so that's really helped chill her out. It's kind of funny watching her though. Sometimes she honestly just looks really high, even though I am giving her the lowest dosage. While we were at a rest stop in New Mexico, I was parked taking care of Callie, and some lady on a bike walked over and handed me this and told me that it fell off of my car. And I told her that I didn't think it was mine and I thought I just drove over it, but she insisted that it fell off of my car. But I've been thinking about it and I'm realizing that the rattling my car had when we first started this trip is gone. I mean, I'm gonna have to have Caleb check the car, but maybe this is what the rattling was coming from. Were you taking a nap? Would you possibly like some chickens? Oh, no, you weren't supposed to take 2 of those. Callie! Well, I mean, I guess that means you guys have to split one. Do you guys want some chickens? Do you guys want a couple of chickens? Here you go, Gary. Biz, you want a chicken? Good girl, Biz. I'm sorry, Callie ain't yours. Good girl. So we made a quick pit stop for Starbucks, but we couldn't forget Callie's pop cup. Oh yeah, I know you love your puppuccino. You didn't even say thank you. Say thank you. Oh, I guess it's close enough. Guys, he just stole my dog and replaced her with Bales. What the heck, man? What the heck? Bye, Cass! Bye, Cass! Biz doesn't do that. Oh, that poor girl. Guys, I don't think Bales likes it in here. She's like freaking out every time I shift gears. She's being thrown all over the place. Biz, you okay? I don't know what to do. He put you in here, so you gotta be in here for a while. Alright, so we traded back because Bales wasn't really liking the Miata all that much. Sorry, Bales, maybe next time. Good morning, everyone. Today is our last and final day of our trip. We only have 12 hours to go, which means if we drive fast enough, don't stop at all, we'll definitely get there by midnight. I'm just kidding, but I wanted to show you all our sleeping arrangements. So over there's my car. We moved all the extra stuff into there so that Gary and Biz could sleep on the driver's and the passenger seat. In the back, we have Callie. Caleb usually sleeps right next to me, but she's taking his spot right now because he's in the shower. We slept at a Love's travel station. They're pretty great. They're pretty convenient. They have showers inside. All in all, my only complaint is that every time someone gets out of their car and walks by us, Gary and Callie start barking. Good morning, Biz. Okay, so check this out. This is our favorite part of every Love's travel station. They have a dog park for Callie to get Gary pregnant, apparently. Hi, Biz. Biz doesn't want to play. Biz just wants to sniff around. Gary's pooping. And Callie's sniffing. Good girl, Cal. Good girl. So we are here at Tim Hortons and I am stalling my car. So we're here at Tim Hortons. I don't know what the big deal about this place is, but apparently we don't have one of these where we're from. So I guess we gotta go check it out. Wanna go check it out? I guess not. So Caleb says I have to get the iced cappuccino because that's what they're famous for. And I need coffee, so I guess we're getting a nice cappuccino, cows. I have this convenient little cup holder that usually goes on the passenger side, but I don't have a passenger seat. I have a passenger cows. So we have this right here. Blocks my e-brake a little bit, but that's okay because this is my only cup holder and, well, it's a little busy right now.
Hey, we do more. 3 for you.
Hey, can I get an iced cappuccino?
Anything else for you?
That's it.
$3.49.
I really need to paint this car. You want to paint my car for me, Cows? You want to paint it? You can paint it to look like you. Actually, my car's already painted to look like her. Callie, you and my car are matching. I didn't realize that. We got the tan, and we got the black. And we got the black. We got the black and tan cows and the black and tan Miata. You guys are matching. Okay, now I can never change the color of the car. Well, I mean, I guess I could always dye you blue. You know, I'm kind of mad I didn't order breakfast because I'm really hungry right now and all I had for breakfast was a banana. And you didn't even eat your breakfast. It's right here. Why didn't you eat your breakfast? Why didn't you eat your breakfast? Come on, eat your breakfast. Eat. Eat it. Does anybody else's dog do that? Maybe it's just a German Shepherd thing, but sometimes she just doesn't eat her food. I mean, she comes back and eats it later, but like, eat your food. Are you barking at Gary? It's Garrison. Callie's like really like, she thinks this is hers. All right, so this is a Tim Hortons iced cappuccino. It's not at all what I was expecting it to be. I was expecting an iced cappuccino, not a frozen coffee. But I like frozen coffee, so it looks good. I'm excited. Are you excited? You're not getting any of this. I gave you food. No, do you see this? She would rather have coffee than her own yummies. No. I even gave you a banana in there. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
What's your grand finale update?
I didn't even try it yet.
Hey, you love it, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it's great. It's actually pretty good. It's like a Dunkin' frozen coffee, but it's better. It's better.
Yeah, yeah.
So we are 1 hour and 46 minutes away and we have to stop. Callie, can you tell them why we stopped? I'll tell you why we stopped. That right there is why we stopped. Well, this sucks. Lucky for us, we have a tire repair kit and we have a tire pump, so I think we'll be alright.
Okay, check this out. Alright, so about 200 miles ago, when we were last stopped, I noticed this sitting right here. I didn't know what it was. I just like ignored it for some reason. And then I just stopped again. I was like, what is that? And it was the mirror. It was literally just sitting here. Like we were going down the road like 80 miles an hour, up and down, around the turns, and it didn't move.
That's insane. The road was really bumpy too.
Should I just leave it there?
Yeah, totally. See if it'll make it back. Alright, so plan B, we're gonna use the donut instead. Look at that, just like that, he's got the tire on and we are ready to go. That thing is so small, it looks like it belongs in the Miata. You ready to go? Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? Alright, so it looks like we have some kind of accident. There's a bunch of semi-trucks on the highway. Hang on, I gotta shift gears. And they all got their hazards on and nobody's moving an inch. Let's open up our maps here. Oh, that doesn't look good. This is only 5+ minutes, but nobody's moving. One thing after another tonight, cows, isn't it? Isn't it, cows? It's just one thing after another. She does not look happy about this. Callie just wants to get home. I'm sorry, cows. Not even an hour ago, we had a flat tire and now this. The sad thing is we're only an hour away. We're never gonna get home. All right, we're moving, sorta. So not only did we have a tire pop less than an hour ago, we are now in dead stop traffic on 95 North. This is a highway at 1:30 in the morning. It's just not moving. You know, it's not going anywhere. And honestly, I'm okay with that. Because we could be the people up there in the accident. We could be the reason that this traffic isn't moving right now. Things could be so much worse for us right now, but instead we're just back here. We're chilling. We're chilling. Hey cows. What do you say just open up the top right now? You think that would be a good idea? No? Take that as a no. Alright, I think we might be moving again. I don't want to jinx it, but it looks like we're getting somewhere. This went from saying an additional 5 minutes to an additional 10 minutes, but we've already been here for like, I want to say at least 30 minutes. It says that there's an overturned semi-truck up there. Oh, no, no, you can't come on my lap. No, no. Apparently playing videos of her barking as a puppy means she has to come sit on my lap. Alright guys, it's now 4 a.m. Traffic is finally starting to move again. We both fell asleep in traffic because we were just parked for so long. And Google Maps still says it's only 11 plus minutes. So, I mean, I guess we've only been in traffic for 11 minutes, not 3 hours. Yeah, I'm tired. Alright guys, it's 4:30 in the morning. We stopped at about 1:30 in the morning and we're finally rolling again. I kid you not, we have been sitting there for 3 hours. We literally moved maybe like 15 feet the entire time. Jeez, I had no idea how close to the crash we really were. We just drove maybe like a quarter mile down the road and we're already by the crash. And we are off. Woo! We're out of there, cows! After only 3 hours. We're finally out of that traffic. Oh, jeez. I'm so ready to go to bed. Alright, guys, that's it. We're finally home. We're finally home. They beat you inside. They beat you in there. They're all in there. Because your feet are all clean and your feet are all dirty.